will be taken care of. And if we could move strongly forward together, as I said, with some of the initiatives which have been enunciated or incorporated in the budget, I'm sure we'll be able to take the economy forward on a high growth trajectory, and all of us will be happy. This is a joint venture. It is not the task of the government alone. It is not the task of industry alone. We have shown that spirit of partnership, and I'm confident we shall continue to cooperate in the best interest of the country. Thank you very much.
Happily, thanks to technology, we could link up with other centers and also modify these or improve these for future presentation to the public. We would like to compliment Perspective, who have been working closely with CII on this project. Sir, you have responded to our concerns and questions and have outlined your approach to the budget. We, most of these concerns are of a sector and will be, Mr. Finance Minister, just as your budget has made us feel good, I was very happy to hear from you that some of the things CII has said and done made you feel good. CII is very clear that thank you, Mr. Finance Minister, for being here, for your responses, for your openness. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request our President to present a memento to the Finance Minister and to Dr. Shankaracharya.
Hello.
Let's see the next budget. I am not looking at a time frame as yet. That will call for a great deal of consultation. In terms of we'll see. So which are the other companies? What a question. No, you said that. So you said all the main road bills are likely to meet. Thank you.